The watch box allows catching a glimpse at many of the relevant parameters within the GE appliance. Load status allows viewing the current state of various critical components of the GE appliance. Click the 3 vertical lines at the top right-hand side of the screen to access the watch box. A list of critical parameters is displayed. If any of these parameters are out of range, the parameters will be highlighted in red and point you to where the problem might be. Click Load Status to view and check the state of various components within the appliance for optimal operational efficiency. Fan status allows you to view the current state and speed of various fans. Heater status displays the state of the main board and door board heaters. Cooling system displays the state of the compressor and the 3-way valve of the refrigerator. Doors and lights displays the current door state and total door open duration for refrigerator. Dispenser status allows you to view the total counts for dispensing water and ice. It displays the current state of isolation water valve and auger motor. Ice maker displays the current status of various components of the indoor ice maker, such as control setting, water valve, harvest counter, and fill tube heater. These features provide instant access to the state of components of GE appliances. It also provides a quick diagnosis of an issue within the appliance and facilitates communication between a technician and the appliance owner.